Where are we, Al?
We're at Cobham Services, mate. On the way to Pod.
Yeah?
Yep.
That's exciting.
Oh, I'm well excited. You probably can't tell because of my face mask.
No.
But yeah, no, yeah, looking forward to it. It's not that early, to be fair. 22 minutes past 7.
Happy days.
So yeah, hopefully we get out there for about 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Grab some breakfast and then see what's going on. Apparently that's Elliot.
That's Elliot.
Yeah.
So we made it, El.
We made it. It's a bit windy, as you can see, with the wind going through my locks. And it's raining a little bit. The van's kept nice and clean. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
We're just going to go round. We're going to tag up some of the cars for today with some stickers. We're going to use some matte protect. It's got no silicons in there.
So just going to remove the majority of the grime from the panel.
Yeah. I'm wiping in straight lines, so I mean the car's nice and protected again underneath because you know we spent a good day on these yesterday. So you know this is unfortunately just a bit of road dirt from the travels.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's coming off nice and easy underneath. We've not actually got that much dirt on the cloth, so.
And just a bit of IPA panel wipe.
That's it. Just to make sure that the stickers bond nicely because we're having a bit of trouble.
Hmm. Oh yes. I think it needs to be bigger.
Yeah. It's quite nice, to be fair, hearing all the sounds of the cars and things here, because normally if you go on like a track day or something, obviously everyone's worried about noise and things like that.
Sound limitations, yeah.
But here, because we're pretty much in the middle of nowhere, you can be as loud and as loud as you want, and everyone just seems quite laid back. It doesn't seem to faze anyone, so
yeah.
It's pretty awesome, to be fair. I'm liking the vibe today.
There's no one with a stick and a microphone taking your your noise levels.
No, telling me that I'm on the 100 decibel limit.
Yeah.
Ben, you say just stick behind camera, and as I finish peeling this clear stuff off, if you just shout, as I finish peeling the clear stuff off, if you just shout, "Wait, what are you doing to my car?" and then I'll just do like a run off, and then we'll just quickly pan to you. All right?
I'm here with breakfast.
Yeah.
You haven't signed your life away, El?
Yeah, mate. Yeah. Do you need me to write my licence number down, or do you want to look at it?
Yes, please. Like one now.
Perfect. If we do two, double me out. Eric, who's Eric?
It's not the first time that's been made either.
No.
So a bit of matte protect.
That's it.
You're not doing it at that awful angle, are you?
What's that?
You're not going to do it at that angle, are you?
No. I'm trying to get it to stick.
Yeah.
What do you think, James? There? Or a bit higher?
Go lower again. Yeah, I think about there, mate. That's nice. Yeah.
Bug remover.
Excellent. So is this simple as spray on and wipe off?
Well, spray it on, just leave it to dwell for a little bit, and then yeah, wipe it off. I mean, normally if you can, you'd jet wash this off.
Yeah.
This is just to soften and, you know, any bugs, splats, or anything like that you get caught on the front of the car. You know, especially in the summertime. You know, when you know, it's a good thing to have in your pre-wash routine. But for this instance, the car's got a nice protective coat underneath, so this should come off pretty easily. Oh, that's better, James.
So we wanted to get the gazebo out, didn't we, El? But don't think it's gonna.
No, well, we've got this nice space here, and I think we will eventually. But we're just waiting for the wind to die down, and I think it's. I can feel it slowly dying off. No, it's not dying off at all.
Nah, it's still there.
But no, when it does, then yeah, we want to get the gazebo and the feather flags out. But I'd rather not risk it for now because I don't want it flying into anyone's car and causing loads of damage, etc.
Yeah.
But no, it's a good day. There's some interesting cars here. So yeah, I'm excited for what the day's going to bring. Mate, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Bit of you, well.
That's insane, mate.
Is this your first time, Ben?
It sure is.
Yeah. Good luck to you, mate. Anne's gonna be on camera as well, so no pressure.
He's got his Evil Knievel helmet on.
Yeah. Do you know about the Alfa? Do you know much about the spec of it?
I know the boys at EST have mapped it. I think it's roughly over 500 brake. Let me double check.
Okay.
99 horsepower, 778 newton torque.
599 horsepower and 778 newton meters of torque. So we got Jamie in his brother Chris's Mountune Fiesta. So this is EST software. So it's 280 brake and 280 foot-pounds, is it, of torque? Which I think is quite impressive out of a 1.6 3-cylinder turbo. So is it a 4-cylinder? Oh, my bad. It's got 4 cylinders. It's not bad out of 1.6, is it? I thought they were 3-cylinder.
Nah, you've been thinking too much about the Yaris recently.
Yeah. No, I want to show you. So this is Steve. He's come down with us an EST again today. So he's just going to talk a little about his car. So the boys at EST have tuned Steve's car for him. So what figures were you looking at, Steve?
At the minute it's 423 brake, it's at stage 2. It's going back to EST next week actually. It's having a high pressure fuel pump and the charger was put on. So I'm not expecting much more power, but it'll be fully set up for stage 3. So as soon as Yusuf sorts out a turbo for it, I'm going to push the 500 brake figure.
That's awesome. We were talking to James just a minute ago. 530 brake?
540, mate.
540?
540, yeah.
540 brake. So he reckons it's probably going to be sort of 11s today?
Yeah, these two.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hybrid turbo, big line.
It wasn't. Well, good luck
See you
dude.
online, man.
We'll see you in a little
Cheers,
bit.
dude.
That was his first run he's ever done on the Santa Pod as well. So.
Yeah, it's good going.
Yeah, no, that's
good.
awesome. That's a good effort.
Stock on that car is 12.5, so it's not too bad for a first attempt as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's only going to get better.
Awesome first run, mate.
Yeah. Slip at some point.
I bet you well happy with that as well, weren't you?
I was like, see him coming, I was reeling him in, I was like, hey up. And I broke before the finish line as well. I didn't hold it away from the finish line.
Oh, didn't you?
No, I broke before the
Thing is, mate, it's your first run, so I'm the same. It's my first run today, so.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
that's
So
it.
yeah,
You get it?
I'm gonna get the van now.
Yeah, sweet.
Just doing some weight saving.
See you shortly, El.
Yeah, yeah. Be good, wouldn't it? Got to dry the cars before you let them go. Let us go down the strip. So, luckily, most of the water's been blown off mine because it's protected.
going on now?
Well, it's stopped raining now for a little bit. They've been cleaning the track and drying the track and re-gluing it, so we're just waiting for them to finish, and hopefully we can get cracking again. It looks like there's some more bad weather coming in, but I'm just fingers crossed that it holds off, because the van's all the way back there, so I'm hoping that I can at least get one run in today, you know, which will be exciting. Cheeky little Mark II Golf here. Imagine the engine that's in it probably isn't the one that it came with factory, as you can see.
As soon as that first car moves, great, we'll go over there.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to go with you.
Child eating
Big
turbo.
Yeah.
No, we've got the EST Audi A3 here as well.
Nice fat wheels again. Bit of a theme going on. Coming in. Yeah, typical, isn't it?
Yeah, literally got to the start line and it started raining.
I know, I had it all framed up for you and everything, and yeah.
What a...
I know. It'll come.
Yeah.
It was almost your turn now.
Oh, I know, mate, I know. You know what, I might be able to go for my nervous wee now, to be fair.
Yeah, I think you got time, mate, yeah.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I've been for my nervous wee, so it's all good.
Excited for your passenger ride?
Well, I've had my nervous wee too, so I'm absolutely fine. In fact, Elliot helped me.
Yeah.
First one for BMW.
Buzzing, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got the
At
adrenaline
one
rush.
point I was like, yeah! And then I just see you go past. I was like, oh.
Too much wheel spin.
Once he gripped up though, dude, that was quick. What's the latest, El?
Oh, they shut the track, mate. It's going to be closed at 5. Honda Civic pooed its gearbox out all over the track, so they've shut the track for the day now because it's going to take too long to sort it out. So
Yeah,
that's our fun over.
that's it. So we'll get the vehicles cleaned up then, and I suppose we'll start packing up and
Yeah,
call it
we'll
there.
get some quick detail over them. Some of them got some bug splats, etc. on them. Bit of tyre. There's a lot of tyre up the sides.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll get that sorted out, and then yeah, we'll make our way home.
Might be the fastest loop over.
Yeah, Craig wants to get involved. He loves a bit of cleaning. Craig does.
What do I want to get involved with?
Bit of cleaning.
Clean that Porsche over there.
It's been sat there all day.
I don't want those
Yeah.
on the back in sponge.
And a hose.
Yeah.
That's covered in tyre glue.
I know, I'm a bit worried about that.
No, I'm sure they
Oh, thanks. That's what I've always wanted.
will. Stay with it in here.
Journey here in that. I looked after it.
Yeah, the inside's filthy.
Yeah. Just give that a quick one.
We're gonna have to do the inside and the outside because I think it's dirtier on the inside than it is the outside. To be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. The key is don't vape. Yeah, so obviously, you know, glass cleaning your windscreen after a track day or going on the strip's ideal. I mean, you're going to have bug splats on there, you know, bits of grime, bits of tyre and stuff from the road. Obviously, this being a drag strip, there's glue and things on there, so, you know, you don't want to get that sort of caught up in the wipers and then get that sort of bonded to the windscreen. So, you know, and obviously safe for the drive home as well.
How's the day been for you, bud?
Yeah, very good, mate. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good.
Bit premature towards the end though.
Yeah, it was an unfortunate ending, but yeah, it was a good day.
That's a wrap on pod today. Unfortunately, it cut a little bit short because the Honda Civic decided to put some bits of his gearbox over the left lane, and also the weather wasn't on our side at all today. We hope that you've enjoyed this bit of different content for once, and we've enjoyed ourselves, and we hope that you guys have enjoyed yourselves and that this comes through on the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, give us a share, comment. You know, we're happy for your feedback.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.